how long does it really take for Chime to deposit a check? Narrator, you've just cashed in a big check, and you're ready to hit them all. But hold on, hotshot. Before you start splurging, you've got a burning question. How long does it actually take for Chime to deposit that sweet paper? Let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, it's 2024, everything's instant, right? Wrong. While we're living in a world of lightning-fast downloads and on-demand everything, the banking world can sometimes feel like it's stuck in the 90s. But fear not. We're here to break down the nitty-gritty of Chime check deposits. First things first, Chime offers mobile check deposit. That means you can snap a picture of your check and upload it right to the app. Pretty slick, huh? But how long do you have to wait before that money is yours to spend? Well, the official answer is it can take up to 5 business days. 5 business days. That's like an eternity in millennial time. But don't panic just yet. While the maximum wait time is 5 days, the reality is it often takes much less. In many cases, you'll see that money in your account within 1 to 2 business days. It's like Chime is playing a game of hurry up and wait. But why the wait? Well, Chime, like any bank, has to make sure the check is legit. They need to verify the funds, make sure it hasn't been altered, and all that jazz. It's a safety net to protect you from fraud. Now, there are a few things you can do to speed up the process. First, make sure you endorse the check correctly. You know, that fancy signature on the back? Do it right. Second, take a clear picture of both sides of the check. No blurry shots or shadows. And finally, make sure the check amount matches what you're depositing. Simple mistakes can lead to delays. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Instant deposits. Some banks offer instant deposits for a fee, but Chime doesn't play that game. It's all about keeping things free and simple. And while it might not be as fast as we'd like, it's a fair trade-off for no hidden fees. So, there you have it. Chime check deposits, not as fast as a speeding bullet, but definitely faster than a snail. While you might have to wait a couple of days, it's usually worth it for the peace of mind and the money you'll save. Now, remember, this is just general information. Your experience may vary. Chime might have updated its policies since we made this video. So, always double-check their website for the most accurate info. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.